Hi there! In this video, we will show you how to quickly get started with Swif. Once you've signed up, you can first add your employees. To do that, go to the Employee Manager module. You can add your employees by either importing a CSV file with employee details or add them manually. For example, we will look at how to add an employee manually. Click on Add an Employee in the drop-down. Type in the employee details like first name, last name, contact details, and other mandatory fields. Once done, click on Update. The employee added will now be visible in the list. Additionally, you can also add new employees by syncing with your HRIS. To do this, click on Sync HRIS. Next, click on Connect New HRIS button. Swif supports different HRIS integrations such as Google Workspace, Deal, and many other providers. Here's a list of all the different providers you can connect with. You just need to choose the provider of your choice and fill in your credentials to sync the data. Once you've added a new HRIS connection, you will see it on Swif. To auto-sync, you can toggle the auto-sync option. You can also sync some specific employees' data if you would like to. After you choose the employees and click on Import, the corresponding employees will get imported to Swif. As the next step of onboarding, I'll show you how to enroll a device. To do this, first navigate to Inventory from the left side menu. Next, click on Add Devices. You have options to add a computer or an accessory. For example, I'll show adding a computer. When you click on Computer, you need to choose your OS and then click on Continue. Next, you will get an option to set the enrollment code for BYOD devices. For example, I'll set 1234. Once I'm done setting the enrollment code, I can click on Download Swif Agent at the bottom right corner. Once the installer is downloaded, you can open the file to proceed with the installation. Just proceed with the installation steps. You will also have to input your password. Once the agent is installed, you also need to give permission to the profile to be enrolled. You can put your password and then click on Enroll to install the profile. The necessary profiles will now be installed into your devices. The Swif agent will take some time to connect to Swif. Now, as the next step, I'll show you how to set up compliance status for your enrolled devices. As you can see, the device that I just enrolled has shown up here. You can click on your enrolled device to get a detailed view. Here, when you navigate to Security tab, you'll also be able to see the compliance status of your device. For each of the compliance setting, you can create a corresponding policy by clicking on Create Policy. You can set the settings here and then click on Continue. You can then choose the devices on which you want to install this policy. When I am done, the corresponding compliance setting will be installed on the selected devices. Now let's go back to the Devices section. You can check the compliance status of your device by hovering over the security status of the device. As you can see here, the policy that we just installed has already been created. I can follow the similar steps to install the other policies. For example, if you want to install the Password Manager records, you can just click on Install Software here. Next, you can choose the devices on which you'd like to install this. It would take some time for the installation to reflect. Great! So this was a quick overview for getting started with Swif. You can check out the other videos to learn more about our platform. Thanks for watching.